Hello and welcome to the Bausteinklemmer. Here in episode 11 we are back at the Beanvillage Mountains. We are building for the first time up to the next level and thus also expanded the waterfall. This will also have another level. First we start with a priming in the form of different blue colored plates. And off we go into the mining industry. We can already say that we still have to order more parts, not only for the rest of the mountains, but also for the substruction to fix and stabilize everything. Stone by stone we climb the hike, a little wobble here and there, but it fits. Unfortunately, you missed 2 collapse because the camera was off. Then finally package arrived with a lot of 4 bricks, just like the technology bricks to make everything collapse proof afterwards. This time we order it via Bricklink and everything arrived complete. Unfortunately, building stability at this point is only possible without a camera because there is little space. Since it's been very grey so far, we want to bring even more greenery into play in this episode. Let's come straight to the rocky outcrop, which is supposed to make the waterfall even more interesting. We thought that visually it would be a little eye-catcher and leave more room for creativity. Then we'll leave you alone for a moment to stack things up and hear each other again, son. We're with you again with a picture of reaching the podium and it happened exactly in the section twice. The collapses between the podium and the waterfall. Annoying, but finally where they arrive where we wanted. Let's go to the topic of greening. First, a tall carpet of plants finds a new home, and then the first tree finds its place in the mountains. We built this in advance to try out what we like best. What do you think of the new Greenery? Write it to us in the comments. And so you don't miss any more of our updates, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. A few more details have found the place again. A small rocky hill in the middle of the freshly laid river, just like a flat ground tree that presents its beauty just above the surface of the water. The nice thing about this corner is that we can record from different perspectives. Here from the area next to the Shadow train station. And now let's move on the second waterfall area. Have fun with it. And how do you find the second area of the waterfall? Now it's time to beautify the rocks again. After countless grey and green bricks that we climbed in the Beanvillage Mountains. I also had to include details, including a fish that is jumping straight down into the water and a white owl that is watching him to it. This makes our mountains appear more naturally and lively. Then we tried out a railing, so the minifigures can safely walk the hiking trail. After we show you the complete picture in the background, take a look here on the right. We offer you the playlist of our entire Lego brick city and a current video from us. If you like the video, please give this video a like and bye and see you in the next video, your Bausteinklemmer.